When the sky turns a hazy red, the sun heads home for its lazy bed. That's the time of day to say Buona sera. Friends get friendly and sweethearts smile. They all know in a little while that such lovely things begin with Buona sera. I would meet you where lovers meet, a small piazza or a shady street, just to hear the way you say Buona sera. If you said it in 1,000 ways, I'd be waiting for 1,000 days for that little Italian phrase, Buona sera. In the fields as you're passing by, mountain towns reaching for the sky, everybody stops to say Buona sera. You can hear it as you're driving home, south of Napoli or north of Rome. It's good evening, welcome back, Buona sera. The day is ending, the night is near, and I'm intending to get there, dear, for that special way you say Buona sera. When you say it, my world turns gay. It's not good morning, it's not good day, it's not I love you, but it sounds that way, Buona sera. I would meet you where lovers meet, a small piazza or a shady street, just to hear the way you say Buona sera. They're two words that I've heard before, lovely words that I still adore, but they mean just a little more from you. If you said it in 1,000 ways, I'd be waiting for 1,000 days for that little Italian phrase, Buona sera, Buona sera, Buona sera.